delighted to be back here in Fingal, my own county. It's basically to talk about our plans for 2021, to look at what our housing targets need to be next year, how Fingal have a really important role in delivering housing for people, both in social and affordable, and also in continuing to deliver services for our citizens. And another purpose of me being here really today was to thank Fingal County Council and all their staff for the incredible work that they've done this year in particular, the year of the pandemic that has been really difficult for our citizens and our businesses. And Fingal and other local authorities have really led from the front in government's response to this pandemic, in supporting our citizens and supporting our businesses. So it gave me an opportunity to meet here with the senior management team in Fingal, with the Chief Executive AnnMarie and the Director of Services, to talk through what we've been doing this year, to look, as I said, at our housing targets, but also to look at how we can continue to support our citizens and our businesses. This government believes, and I believe as Minister, in strong local government, that local government needs to be supported and supported financially, which we have done this year and are committed to doing into next year. So it was a very useful meeting, that I'm clear on what Fingal's delivery plans are and how they actually are married to my own plans as Minister and our government priorities in the programme for government. And that was the purpose of my visit here to Fingal today. I learned that Fingal have performed incredibly well in a very difficult year, that they've kept the services going through and reached out to our communities through Community Call, have been helping our more senior citizens and our more vulnerable through this. And what I've also learned is that Fingal have set themselves exacting targets for next year, but realistic ones in delivering housing for our people, that we're going to have our first affordable housing scheme here in Fingal in many years, in Lusk, now starting next year. And that's what I'm here to say, that I'm supporting that work that Fingal are doing, and to talk about the new initiatives that I will be bringing forward on ramping up public house delivery and social homes, and also bringing forward affordable rental and affordable purchase for working people. And Fingal are a really important part in delivering that for me as Minister.
The Minister was in with us today. He wanted to discuss housing targets for next year, so we were pleased to update him on our delivery of social housing and affordable housing. We have some ambitious plans across the county, so we're looking forward to really working with him and his officials to get those projects across the line and ultimately get people into homes. I know he has ambitious plans for 2021, as do we. That said, I think he's determined that we deliver as much as possible, so we'll still be trying to deliver even more and activate more sites where possible.